In Imachinde Chief Magistrate's Court, presided over by Magistrate Sala and Basemira, lawyer Erias Lukwago is accused of the offence of misprision of treason, an offence that has kept him on remand for 1 month. Prosecution informed court that investigations have been completed and that it's ready to commit Erias Lukwago to the High Court for a full trial.
That was their fear.
In the indictment presented to court, prosecution alleges that in 2023, Erias Lukwago, together with Dr. Kizabe Sije, Hajobedi Rutale, Ibrahim Samjunganda, Lubega Mkaku, and Charles Romshana held meetings to discuss plans intended to overturn the government. Prosecution further alleges that during the same meetings, Dr. Kizabe Sije requested Andrew Wahabwe to train some of his allies in covert intelligence and paramilitary tactics.
Others still at large between 2021 and November 2024 at various places, including Nairobi in Kenya and Kampala district in Uganda, knowing that other persons to wit, Joel Wakaima, Frank Chiherere Atukunda, Haj Obed Lutale, and Honorita Dr. Kizabe Sije intended to commit treason. You did not give information there.
It also alleges that Dr. Kizabe Sije requested counterfeit Ugandan shillings into Uganda with the intention of injecting them into the economy to raise funds and destabilize the country's economy. The indictment further states that Lukwago, as leader of PFF, together with Samuel Mahoha, in 2024 mobilized and authorized the travel of PFF members to Kisumu, Kenya for training, allegedly intended to overthrow the government of the Republic of Uganda by force of arms.
Your worship, that the accused while in hospital.
According to the prosecution, although Erias Lukwago, as a leader of PFF, was aware of the meetings and alleged plots in Geneva, Switzerland, and other parts of Kenya and Uganda, he deliberately failed to report the matter to the relevant authorities. Prosecution says it will rely on evidence and exhibits, including the accused's call data records, police investigation reports, immigration records, and travel histories of Dr. Kizabe Sije, Hajobedi Lutale, Erias Lukwago, Simon Rutarondwa, among others.
Managing the bail with the pregabalin, gabapentin, all sorts of those medications, painkillers. That is the only thing they can do. But the recommendation was that I go back, they fix this, which they cannot fix in
So the prayer is him to be taken to India?
Yes.
Yes?
Under God.
And you watch the more I delay, I'm advised, the more aggravated it has become, it will be. The more I delay, the more aggravated it will be to fix the problem here of the spinal cord. And I've ever tested it before. Because the disc replacement which was done, I took some time to go to India for the disc replacement. Here in Uganda, they don't do disc replacement. They do anterior cervical dissectomy with the fusion. They just put in nuts and bolts, the fusion. But disc replacement, removing the herniated disc and replace it with an artificial one. That technology is not here. It can only be done here. And that's what was done here. So to go through an MRI to confirm this problem which has occurred on a disc that was replaced by a herniated one, an artificial one, I need to go back to India. So this cannot be done at my school.
It's in the report.
Yes, it is in the report. I really need to make this known to the accused person and his defense team. DPP has usurped my powers in this particular file. DPP has taken over and committed the accused person to High Court. I am alive to his medical.
Ajja kubanga talabikako mu kooti. Abamwagala kitegeeza ku nnaku ez'okumukyalira Katonda bw'anaaba akyamutuwadde mujja kumukyalira eruzira. Ffe tujja kukola buli ekisoboka okulaba nga tuddamu okununula munnaffe atambule. Bimenya naye bisoboka. Era tulina okukkiriza nti Katonda ng'atambudde naffe ekyokumununula kijja kusoboka. Ekirungi tetutidde kubanga obujulizi bwe baleese tebumulumika. Bateebereza buteebereza nti olw'okuba mukwano gwa gundi tuteebereza nti yatambula bw'ati ne mukwano gwe ayinza okuba ng'amanyiiko. Enjogera y'Abaganda egamba nti mbuulira gw'oyita naye. So ekitweraliikiriza n'otutiisa ly'ebbanga lino ettono ly'anaamala nga ggaliddwa ate nga mulwadde, naye tetutya musango kumusinga kubanga tukkiriza nti teyaguzza. Omusango ogumuvunaanibwa si kuba nti teyakola kino nti yakola kino, wabula nti mbu yamanyaako n'atakola lugambo. Gwe gwokka tuteebereza nti gundi oyo ateekwa okuba yakubuulirako. Tulina ab'olugambo lwaffe bangi naye wagaana okubeera omu ku bo. Kyekyoka ekimuvunaanibwa. Naye mutusabire embeera y'obulamu bwe mugyewuliriddeko, mugyerabiddeko, saagala kugiddamu. Bwe nnaagiddamu nja kulemererwa okukola bye nnina okukola. Munsabire ŋŋume nsigale nga ndi looya okusobola okukola omulimu guno ogw'okutaasa munnaffe. Embeera yo si nnungi, mbi era yeeraliikiriza, naye katukkirize Katonda.
Other evidence will include records confirming the various individuals who travelled outside Uganda during the periods of the alleged meetings and training sessions, recordings involving intelligence officer from CMY, electronic devices allegedly used to make the recordings, audios and video recordings of the meetings, among other exhibits. Lawyer Erias Lukwago, who physically appeared in court, unlike during the previous court sitting, was committed to High Court for full trial after the indictment was read to him. Never, never.